The internet promised you control, your searches, your content, your truth. But AI just stole it, and you probably didn't even notice. In the last 6 months, AI hijacked 3 key parts of the web, and if you don't act now, you will lose it forever. Hijack number 1. AI rewrote the internet. Remember when reviews were written by actual humans? Now, AI pumps out 4.7 million blog posts every single day. That helpful Amazon review? Probably fake. That news article? AI wrote it in 12 seconds. Even history isn't safe. Wikipedia editors caught AI rewriting World War II events last month. What happens when AI decides what truth is? Hijack number 2. Big tech sold you out. Google now punishes human creators. YouTube boosts AI spam. TikTok pays AI influencers more than you. Here's the smoking gun. Internal leaks now show Meta intentionally throttled human posts to push AI content. They are not just allowing it, they are engineering your obsolescence. Hijack number 3. AI is reprogramming your brain. The scariest part? You are training yourself to trust AI over your own mind. A Stanford study proved it. After 3 months of using ChatGPT, 68% of people stopped fact-checking entirely. We are creating a generation that would rather ask a robot than think. Hijack number 4. AI's secret war on jobs. They told you AI would augment work, not replace it. That was a lie. Last quarter, 34% of freelance jobs vanished overnight. Why? Companies now demand AI-assisted work, which means one person doing 10 jobs. And here's the dirty secret. AI productivity tools exist for one reason: to squeeze more blood from fewer workers. Hijack number 5. The dark web. AI didn't stop with content. It's rebuilding the internet itself. Autonomous AI agents now browse, shop, and negotiate with other AIs while you sit there watching TikTok. Soon, most web traffic won't be human. It will be bot talking to bot. And you are just noise in the system. Hijack number 6. Who owns your voice? Ever used a voice clone or AI avatar? You've just signed away your likeness forever. Terms of service fine print let companies sell your voice data to train more AI. That podcast you recorded? It's now a data set for synthetic influencers. Your identity is being strip-minded, and you clicked I agree without reading. Hijack number 7. AI is poisoning your news. Misinformation used to come from biased journalists. Now, AI can generate entire fake news networks in seconds. Last month, an AI-powered news site fooled millions into believing a fake war had started. Even government officials fell for it. The next time AI fabricates a global crisis, will you even know it's fake? Hijack number 8. AI can erase you from history. If AI can rewrite history, what's stopping it from erasing you? AI-generated historical corrections have already removed people from old photos. Deepfake voice tech has replaced real speeches with new versions. And Google's AI is already re-ranking history pages. Your legacy, your past, your existence can be rewritten or deleted by an algorithm. Hijack number 9. AI is designing your future without you. Governments, corporations, billionaires, they are all letting AI plan the future. AI is designing smart cities where you won't own anything. It's planning economies where most human jobs don't exist. It's even writing laws that will govern the next 50 years. And guess what? You didn't get a vote. Hijack number 10. AI is collapsing the web economy. AI-generated spam is flooding Google search results. Advertisers are pulling out, and your favorite websites, they are dying. Forbes just laid off its human writers. BuzzFeed shut down its entire news division. What happens when only AI-generated sites remain? Hijack number 11. AI is making humans unemployable. Think your job is safe? AI just replaced 4,000 customer service reps at a single company. Recruiters now prefer AI-generated resumes. Companies demand AI certifications over degrees. And human workers, they are too slow, too expensive. Hijack number 12. AI is spying on you 24/7. AI cameras now track your face in real time. Chatbots secretly analyze your emotions. And your private conversations, AI is always listening. They say it's for security. But who is securing you from them? Hijack number 13. AI is engineering your DNA. AI is designing custom babies. Companies are using AI to create genetically optimized embryos. What happens when AI decides which traits are ideal? Who gets erased from the gene pool? Hijack number 14. AI can control your thought. Ever wonder why you suddenly changed your mind about something? AI-driven apps, news, and social media shape your opinions. The scariest part, you won't even realize it's happening. Hijack number 15. AI's final takeover. There is one thing AI can't take yet. Your will to fight back. How to fight back? Ditch Google like a bad habit. Install AI Radar. Extensions don't lie. Go rogue. Build your own platform. Unionize against AI creep. Sabotage the machine. Flood AI trainers with nonsense data. They want you to think it's over. But the war's just beginning. Until we meet again, goodbye.